Alright guys, thank you for checking in Stormtopia.com, the Stormtopia.com Facebook page. We're going to have our severe weather update right now. Here's the latest and greatest 16 AM showing the storms still developing here as we make our way on in through the time period across the southern states from Louisiana back on in through the Tennessee Valley into the Arklatex. Okay, and I'll zoom you on in here, and what you see here is I'll show you the CAPE, okay, convective available potential energy. And the CAPE is not overly significant here. We're looking at CAPE indexes anywhere between 900 and 1500 for a lot of spots, which is really not overly unstable. It dies out late Friday evening into early Saturday morning, and then it sparks back up again Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening here across portions of the southern states and near the Gulf of Mexico. But what I'm really worried about with this event is not the instability, okay, but the amount of shear that we're going to be looking at, which is really going to want to spin up these supercells. I'll show you the shear map here, okay, and here you see what I'm talking about. You see at the storm's developing, right? You make your way on in through time. It makes its way up on through the Midwest. Okay, blizzard conditions in there. I'm going to have another video talking about that. But here's, again, guys, the jet coming in through here, okay, with very high shear. And you can see here, as the storm moves out, that jet continues to make its way on in through here. Very high shear, very strong helicity, okay. And I'll show you the helicity map, because the helicity is going to be pretty significant with this kind of shear, guys. There you go, you see it coming on through there. Pretty significant stuff, alright? And the Storm Prediction Center, I think, makes a lot of good points in their discussion here. I forgot to mention the lifted index. It's about -2 for most folks. Some spots -3, isolated -4 lifted index. They got a slight risk up for most of southern and central Missouri, all of Arkansas, all of northern Louisiana, northern and central Mississippi. And what we're looking at here, if you look at their discussion, is 45 to 55 knots will support multimodal potential for semi-supercells and perhaps some MCS development. And I'm not looking at a major hail event with this, because you're really not going to be looking at that kind of a storm, but you are looking at more of a rotation tornado type event. Alright, and they did mention somewhere in here about something about shear, which is again what I was talking about. Yeah, I guess they mentioned it in the 45 to 55 knots, but again, guys, we're gonna be bringing you more updates on this situation as we get closer to the event. That's our latest thinking as of right now. Hope you enjoyed this forecast video. Please spread the word about our website, and have a great day.